This entire factory video was created with Gemini AI. No filming, no editing stress, just smart prompts.
All right, let's start the line. All clear on my end?
Forget the old way. No camera, no studio, just smart prompts delivering professional results instantly.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
To create a professional AI factory video, we use simple but detailed prompts. Each prompt represents one stage of the production process. We use one prompt for raw materials, another for production, another for packaging, and so on. This helps the AI generate realistic scenes step by step. You can use these prompts in Gemini Business or any AI video generator.
So I use ChatGPT to generate those prompts. Then I use Gemini Business to create the videos. So I copy and from ChatGPT and I pasted it in the Gemini Business. And I asked it to make it realistic. So now let us see. Are you seeing it? This is the beginning. Workers in clean uniform inspect the materials on the bright factory light. That is the second prompt. Now let us see the outcome of it. Okay, that's it. Workers in clean uniform. Okay, let us play the video now. Okay, so are you seeing how it is? It looks so real. Very, very real. Now let us go and work on our second one. High-speed industrial machine makes paper fiber with super absorbent polymer to create the diaper core. To copy, then I go to my Gemini Business and I paste it there and wait for the result. Quite easy. Whether you know AI or not, you can actually do it. The most important thing is to generate a prompt that works best for your AI generator, video generator. Now, are you seeing it? This is beautiful. Yes. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and if you need a prompt, just let me know on the comment box below. So this is our second prompt. The material is shaped into thin, fluffy parts, moving fast on conveyor belts. Close-up shot. Now let us see what we have here. Okay. Let us see the end product. And okay, that's it. Beautiful. That's how you keep on doing it, and do not forget to always download.
Now that you've seen how to create the prompts, let me show you the final AI video that was generated from them.
All right, let's start the line. All clear on my end?
As you can see, you don't need a real factory or expensive equipment. With the right prompts and AI tools, you can create professional content from anywhere.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.